I would like to talk about what educational technology is. Technology, by definition, is merely the using of tools to solve problems. And educational technology is taking those tools and applying them to education. Now, in education, there are three main modes. First, most prevalent, the one that's been there for 10, 20,000 years, is face to face instruction. And the teacher, students, same time, same place. Now, face to face instruction is really a subset of something called synchronous instruction, which is instruction at the same time. Now, synchronous instruction can be at the same time using the internet, it can be using the telephone, but the students and teachers are interacting with each other at the same time. Now, the third mode of using educational technology is called asynchronous. And asynchronous means anytime, any place. Now, we've been doing it for roughly 4,000 years. Every time a teacher says, read the next chapter and we'll discuss it in the morning, that reading of the book is asynchronous instruction. What has happened recently is the bursting of technology, YouTube, podcasts, blogs, it just goes on and on. So asynchronous is really what's expanding and changing the way we teach. Now you notice that the circles overlap. That's deliberate because these things can be happening at the same time. You can have a face-to-face class where you are teaching students here with other students in a different location, and you can break them off into groups to do research or whatever, read a chapter, read a section, do a math problem, which is asynchronous, and then we'll get back together. So these are not as clear-cut as the definitions would indicate. Now, I do treat something else as a fourth mode of instruction. And that fourth mode is the sea in which all the other modes swim, and that's supporting technology. So when I talk about supporting technology as a mode, really what I'm talking about are those tools that the students don't normally see. They can be grade books, they can be video editors, audio editors, word processors, all these little toys that instructors get to use to create a new class, a new lesson. But we're not finished yet because there's something else. It's when all are used together, and this is called blended learning. Normally, blended learning involves synchronous and asynchronous, or face-to-face and asynchronous. But it can be synchronous and face-to-face, or it can be all three. It depends upon the course you're teaching, the students, and what needs to be done. Hopefully, in this course, you will learn what the three main modes are, how to use the supporting technologies to support those other modes, and then how to blend everything together.